Behind of me, this is one of the expensive car they have in here. It's a Ford Mustang 2019 5.0. So I already mentioned you why we came here, to give you more information about the business in here, give you more information about the shop where you can find your car in here. The thing is, we have a good plan in our mind. So each shop we're visiting, we're gonna ask it, and it has 3 questions: the most expensive car, the most cheapest car, and the most unique car they have. God, this is like one of the biggest Ford Mustang they have in here. I can say easily they have more than 50 cars, only a category for Ford Mustang. They have a lot of American cars, and we find some Japanese car they have also. There's the Lexus RC, and beside there's the Lexus GS as well, and I find 2-3 Mercedes as well. So if you guys interested of any sporty cars, this is the place, guys. Most of them are Ford Mustang, and you find something interesting, Samir? So you want to give this car to the special car? Yeah. Unique car? Special car. Okay. It looks like the video game you play. You remember the Need for Speed?
The new Eclipse.
Which car is this, Samir?
Eclipse.
The Mitsubishi Eclipse. This is the new one?
Yeah, the Eclipse.
Samir, you're a big fan of this Eclipse Mitsubishi.
Yo.
But this one looks more clean than that, you know?
Oh, too much. And it's manual.
It's very clean from inside.
Short shift, American import. It's not GCC.
It's not GCC, yeah, I know that.
Can we open the engine?
Do it.
Check the car.
Engine looks from inside.
Oh yeah.
That's not for the turbo, that's for the suspension.
No, that Eclipse was for the turbo, I think.
Maybe, yeah.
But where's the turbo? It has to be turbo, this one too.
But I think unfortunately we find the normal one, not turbo. Are you sad, Samir?
Yeah.
So this is the first car I find, and this will goes on the special or unique car we find in this place. So this is a Mitsubishi Eclipse. Properly this will be 2006, Samir, yeah?
No, not 2006.
Which model is it?
Less than 2000.
Yeah? It looks new, I think. Samir, it doesn't look like that much old.
2002.
2002. So this is 2002, and this will go on the category the special car we find in this place. Oh my god, this place is amazing, guys. Even they don't have a small place to stand up. This is my favorite car. It's a Chevrolet Camaro. I love the vents on the wood.
The SS8.
This is the V8 spec.
I think so.
Yeah, the color is good, silver. I think this is also, this is the convertible one also. So Samir just note something from the sticker. Samir, this is a sticker, it's not from the factory.
No. Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi, the car have a Wi-Fi?
Screen.
Yeah?
I think so.
So Samir, what's your favorite car from here till now? Do you have any favorite car till now?
Actually, no.
You don't have any favorite? And so we at the moment we're gonna visit the most expensive, the most special car they have in here. So a special owner of this shop, these people are very kind, very good people. Of me, this is one of the expensive car they have in here. It's a Ford Mustang 2019 5.0, the V8 spec. It's very hard to find these days, the V8. Have the fully what do you call technical, yeah, the blind spot BCM.
When you open the door,
Okay,
the Mustang.
there is
The Mustang, but now it's sunny day.
it's not too dark to see that
You
one
see?
on the ground. Yeah,
Okay.
this car look amazing from outside, and of course have the best sound as well. So if you guys are interested on this car, there's lot of it. Be the top line they have in here, the most expensive one, and of course they have more choice. You can check them out with the good price, with the lot of option. You find your car smart.
I can't fit on it.
Sure?
Yeah.
I think people can fit easily on these cars.
No.
So we find the most small car in here, and I think this is the most cheap car that they have in this place as well. It's a smart for the Mercedes. So we'll say goodbye to this place. Oh my god, this was one of the best showroom I ever visit, guys.
I want to show you the Infinity, the engine, like a Mercedes engine.
Come here, let me finish this. There have to be a video like this. We'll go there.
Muscle, American muscle.
Okay.
The group American muscle.
So Samir was very interesting about this car. So he will explain you more why you excited on because of this car. This is the Infinity. Of course, you know Infinity is for the Nissan and it's Japanese brand. But the thing is, they decide to change the engine and install for the Mercedes. So this is very special for the Samir. He was very confused why Japan decide to do this one.
You check the engine and the gear is for Mercedes.
And what do you think? What's the reason they do this?
See, come check if you want. You see this number? Even the computer, if anything damage or anything for the 276 Mercedes.
So what's the reason they do this?
Because Infinity, they're not good for.
They're not good in.
Yeah.
Okay.
You buy the Infinity, you use it for 1 year, 2 years, the engine will get damaged. 2 times I change engine from Infinity.
So we'll say goodbye to this place. Oh my god, this was the best showroom I visit, guys. They have lot of sporty cars, starting from the Ford Mustang, starting from the Dodge, starting from the Chevrolet, starting from the Lexus. Each car they have lot of options, starting with the engine power, V4, they have V6, they have the big massive V8 as well. Sammy, how was the experience for driving the Lexus 2016?
I hate Lexus.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So this was the shop I was looking for it, and this guy, oh my god, he have all Mercedes.